Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again. This is the second match between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar Strikers. First, Epic Blaster Shoes, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 2.5 overs, the score for Epic Blasters is 41 in just 2.5 overs. This is T20 Super Cup tournament played at Chukar Tulbagh tournament, Chukar ground. Khalid Sohail to Asif Pandit. Asif Pandit is on 30. He just faced 11 deliveries with 1 huge 6 and 6 fours. Sohail is very expensive, and another good shot played by Asif Pandit for another 4. With this 4, the score for Epic Blasters is 45. After 3 hours, the individual score for Asif Pandit is 34. He just faced 12 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. This match is between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar Strikes. First, Epic Blasters Shoes win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 3 hours, the score of Epic Blasters is 45 on board. Asif Pandit playing on 34. Shaukat Malik playing on 10 runs. Khalid Sohail completed his second hour and he gives 35 runs. He is very expensive bowler today, Khalid Sohail. And another bowler, Zishan Kara, is come to bowl his second hour. He is on his bowling mark. Shaukat Malik is on strike. Lala, shh. Shaukat Malik is on strike. He is on 10 runs, just faced 6 deliveries with the help of 1-4. Epic Blasters won the toss and they decide to bat first. After 3 hours, the score is 47 and they have lost no wicket. Zishan to Shaukat, and another good shot played by Shaukat Malik, and another 4. This is another 4 by Shaukat Malik. With this 4, the score is raised on 49. The individual score of Shaukat Malik is 14 without any loss, 49 runs on board. Zishan Kara. Zishan to Shaukat Malik. Shaukat Malik is on strike. He is on 14. And this is a wide delivery given by and missed by wicketkeeper. And wide and 1 buys. The score goes on 51 without any loss. After 3.1 hours, Asif Pandit is on strike. He plays on 34. Just faced 12 deliveries with the help of 7 fours and 1 huge 6. Zishan Kara to Asif Pandit. Asif Pandit is on strike, and this is a dot delivery, good delivery by Zishan Kara. After 3.2 hours, the score is 51 without any loss. Epic Blasters Shoes win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 3.3 hours, the score is 51 without any loss on board. Asif Pandit is on strike. He is on 34. He faces just 13 deliveries with the help of 7 fours and 1 huge 6. Zishan Kara to Asif Pandit. And this was good wicket. Good bowling by Zishan Kara. Asif Pandit lost their wicket on 34. 51 on board, and Epic Blasters Shoes lost their first wicket in the shape of Asif Pandit. Asif Pandit out bowled by Zishan Kara. He goes on 34 runs with the help of 7 fours and 1 huge 6. The partnership ends on 51 runs. First wicket for Epic Blasters. They lost their first wicket. After 3.3 hours, the score for Epic Blasters Shoes is 51 and they have lost their first wicket. Zishan Kara gives first wicket, takes first wicket, and he is in the second hour. 1.1 3 hours he gives 16 runs and take a wicket of Asif Pandit. Tariq Ahmed is the new batsman on crease. Tariq Ahmed come new batsman on crease. Shaukat Malik is on non-strike. He's on 14. Zishan Kara take his first wicket. Gives first wicket to Kunzar Blasters strikers. The score is 51 for the loss of 1 wicket. Epic Blasters choose won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 3.3 hours, the score is 51 for the loss of 1 wicket in the shape of Asif Pandit. Zishan Kara, good bowling. Zishan Kara to the new batsman Tariq Ahmed. And this is another thought delivery, good delivery by Zishan Kara. Score remaining on 51 for the loss of 1 wicket. Tariq Ahmed is the new batsman on crease. Zishan Kara to Tariq. And this is another good delivery at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder Ubaid. And dot delivery. Sam Muzammil, assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Sam Muzammil sir, for watching this live stream. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. This is match between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar Strikers. After win the toss, Epic Blasters Shoes, they decide to bat first after 3.5 hours. Zishan to the new batsman Tariq. And this is another dot delivery. After 4 hours, the score is 51 for the loss of 1 wicket. Shaukat Malik is on strike. He is on 14 runs. Zishan Kara completes his second over. He gives 16 runs and take a wicket of Asif Pandit. Sam Muzammil match is thank you Sam Muzammil. This is match between Epic Blaster Shoots versus Kunzar Strikes. Epic Blaster Shoots won the toss and they decide to bat first. After 4 hours, the score for Epic Blasters is 51 and they have lost their first wicket. Sajad Kunzar is a new bowler. He is from his bowling mark. Sajad to Shaukat Malik. Shaukat Malik is on 14. He faces 7 deliveries with the help of 1 4 and 1 huge 6. Sam Muzammil's score is 51 and Epic Blasters lost their first wicket in the shape of Asif Pandit. Zishan Kara is the bowler who took the wicket of Asif Pandit. He goes on 34 runs. Sajad to Shaukat Malik. Shaukat Malik is on 14. He's on strike. And this is a wide delivery given by Lala. With this run, the score goes on 52 and they have lost their 1 wicket in the shape of Asif Pandit. Epic Blasters opted to bat first. Sajad to Shaukat. And at the end, good shot played by Shaukat Malik for another 4. This is 4 for Shaukat Malik and 4 for the Epic Blasters shoots. The score goes on 56 and they have lost only 1 wicket. Shaukat Malik individual score is 18. He faced just 8 deliveries. Sajad to Shaukat. And this is another good shot, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder of Kunzar Strikes. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 56 for the loss of 1 wicket. Sajad to Shaukat. And this is a wide delivery and missed by the keeper. And 4 byes. The score with this run goes on 61 and they have lost only 1 wicket in 4.2 hours. Can Epic Blasters give a good total to Kunzar Strikers? It will be seen. Sajad to Shaukat. And this is a house delivery, dot delivery, good delivery by Sajad. Score remaining on 61 and they have lost 1 wicket. Sam Muzammil, thank you for watching this live stream and you can also see this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas. And Shaukat Malik playing a good shot for another 4. Another 4 for Shaukat Malik. Another 4 for Epic Blasters shoes. The score remaining goes on 61 for the loss of 1 wicket in 4.4 hours. Shaukat Malik, he is on 22. Just to face 11 deliveries with the help of 3 4s and 1 huge 6. Sajad Kunzar. This is another expensive over by Kunzar Strikes. Just 4 deliveries and 14 runs. Epic Blasters shoes won the toss and they opted to bat first. After 4.4 hours, the score for Epic Blasters is 65 and they have lost one wicket in the shape of Asif Pandit. Asif Pandit is the player who gone on to go on 34 runs. Sajjad and Zishan is the bowler who took his first wicket. शाहिद वानी उर्दू में थोड़ा मसाला लगा तो आई डोंट नो मसाला सर. शाहिद वानी, thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you. Keep share this live stream. This is Sajjad to Shaukat Malik, he is on fire, he is on 22 in just 11 deliveries. Shaukat, and this is a dot delivery, no run, the score remaining on 65 for the loss of one wicket. Shaukat Malik plays on 22. Sajjad to Shaukat. And this is another good shot. Good. And this is another 6. Big 6 for Shaukat Malik. Big 6 for Epic Blasters shoots. With this 6, the score goes on 71. And they have lost only one wicket in just 5 hours. The current run rate is 14.20. Would they give the target of 220, 230 to Kunzar strikes? It will be seen in next. Sajjad is very expensive over. And he completes the first over, he gave 20 in first over. Shaukat Malik is the player who is on 28 with the help of 3 4s and 2 huge 6. The strike rate is 215. Shahid Wani, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And this is the Epic Blasters shoes versus Kunzar Strikers. First Epic Blasters won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 5 hours the score is 71 and they have lost only one wicket. The current run rate is 14.20. Shaukat Malik is the player who is on 28 and only faces 13 deliveries. Partnership goes on 20 in just 9 deliveries. This is T20. Sheikh Farid is new bowler. He comes to bowl his first over. He is on his bowling mark. Sheikh Farid to Tariq. Tariq is the new batsman. He faces only 3 deliveries and without any run. Tariq is on strike and this is the toss delivery. Dot delivery. The score remaining on 71 for the loss of one wicket in 5.1 hour. Sheikh Farid to Tariq Ahmed. Rais Ahmed Dar Saab, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you Rais Saab for watching this live stream and also keep share this live. Tariq Ahmed is on strike and here is yes no but a single. The two batsmen take a single. With the single score goes on 72 and they have lost only one wicket. Partnership goes on 21. Sheikh Farid to Shaukat Malik. Shaukat Malik plays another good shot. Here is misfielding and this goes for another 4 for Shaukat Malik. Another 4 for Epic Blasters shoes. With this 4, the score goes on 76 and they have lost only one wicket in just 5.3 hours. Shaukat Malik, he is on 32. He just faced 14 deliveries with the help of 4 4s and 2 huge 6. The partnership goes on 25 in just 12 deliveries. Lala. Yeah, she knew you know. This is Sheikh Farid. Sheikh Farid to Shaukat Malik. Shaukat Malik, he is on 32. Sheikh Farid to Shaukat Malik. Shaukat Malik, he is on 32. Another good shot played by Shaukat Malik for another 4. This is not good cricket played by Kunzar Strikers. And the partnership goes on 29. Score is 80 and they have lost only one wicket in 5.4 hours. The current run rate is 14.12. If they stay here, they will be the projected score will be 254. Will Kunzar Strikers break this partnership? It will be seen. Shaukat is he is on fire. He is on 36. He just faced 15 deliveries with the help of 5 4s and 2 huge 6. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chikatulba ground. This match is between Epic Blasters shoots versus Kunzar Strikers. First Epic shoots Blasters win the toss and they decide to bat first. After 5.4 hours, the score for Epic Blasters shoes is 80, and they have lost only one wicket in the shape of Asif Pandit. Sheikh Farid is the bowler. Shaukat Malik is on strike. He is on 36. Tariq Ahmed is on non-strike. This is a very interesting match between Epic Blasters shoots versus Kunzar strikers. Sheikh Farid to Shaukat Malik. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. You can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Sheikh Farid to Shaukat Malik, and this is good wicket for Kunzar strikers in the shape of Shaukat Malik. Shaukat Malik lost their wicket on 36, and Epic Blasters lost their second wicket on 80 runs. This is another good wicket for Kunzar strikers. Sheikh Farid is the bowler who took his first wicket. Very good bowling by Sheikh Farid. He took his first wicket in the shape of Shaukat Malik. Epic Blasters shoes lost their second wicket, and they have 80 on the board. Muhammad Yunus is the new batsman. He is on strike, and Tariq Ahmed is on non-strike. The new batsman is on the pitch, and there are two new batsmen. Sheikh Farid is the bowler who took his first wicket, and he gave only 9 runs in 5 deliveries. Will Epic Blasters give the good total on board, or will Kunzar strikes stop below 170, 160? It will be seen in next. This is right now the score for Epic Blasters 80, and they have lost 2 wicket in the shape of Asif Pandit and in the shape of Shaukat Malik. Now these are the 2 batsmen who are new on the crease. Muhammad Yunus is on strike. King zoom karo. Thank you King साहब for watching this live stream. आप भी कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कि आवाज़ आ रही है. Put your positive comments in comment section. This is Sheikh to new batsman Muhammad Yunus, and this is a good shot at the end. Very good fielding, but it is a dot delivery. No run at the end of 6 hours. The score is 80 for the loss of 2. Live streaming share karo. Thank you for watching this live stream, King, and keep share this live stream with your friends, and also you can watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This match is between Epic Blasters versus Kunzar strikers. The new bowler for Kunzar strikes is Ejaz. Ejaz is the new bowler on his bowling mark. Ejaz to Tariq Ahmed. Tariq Ahmed is on strike. He plays on 1 and he faces 5 deliveries. And these are the 2 batsmen who are new. Still score remaining on 80, and they have lost 2 wickets in the shape of Shaukat Malik and Asif Pandit. This is Epic Blasters shoes versus Kunzar strikers. Epic Blasters shoes won the toss and they opted to bat first. After 6 hours, the score for Epic Blasters shoes is 80, and they have lost only 2 wickets. Good score on board. Tafika, leaker sand group split. And this is a wide delivery. With this wide, the score goes on 81. Only lost 2 wickets. Ejaz to Tariq, and good delivery. And Epic Blasters should lost their wicket in the shape of Tariq Ahmed. Epic Blasters lost their 3rd wicket, and they have scored only 81 runs on board. Ejaz is the bowler who takes his first wicket. Epic Blasters lost their 3rd wicket on just 81 runs. Sweet Nalaik under 90 का मैच कब है? Sweet Nalaik, I don't know about that match. Still, I have no information about that. And thank you for watching this live stream, Sweet Nalaik Saab. Thank you and keep share this live stream with your friends. Lopika, stand. Image. Live. This is Epic Blasters Shoots versus Kunza Strikers. First Epic Blasters new batsman is Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam is a new batsman. He is on strike. जो कि नाम से जिसको हर एक जाना जाता है इरफान सदाम को. Irfan Saddam is the new batsman for Epic Blasters. He is on strike. Very experienced batsman. He is a very good senior batsman. He is the new batsman for Epic Blasters shoes. He is on strike. His new batsman adjusts to Epic Blaster Irfan Saddam. Shah Rajeez. Haha lala yechu but in part unfair decision it was. And this is a good delivery, but at the end the two players take a single. With the single the score goes 82 and they have lost 3 wickets. Adjust to Mohammad Yunus. Mohammad Yunus plays a shot at the end. Very good fielding by Ubaid, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score goes on 83 for the loss of 3. Irfan Saddam is on strike. Adjust to Irfan Saddam. Saddam plays a good shot here for a single. Only a single. With the single, the score is 83 for the loss of 3. Mohammad Yunus, he is on strike. Adjust to Mohammad Yunus. And this is a dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 82 and they have lost 3 wickets. Adjust to Mohammad Yunus. Irfan Saddam, he is on non-strike. Adjust to Mohammad Yunus. And this is another good delivery by Ajaz. And this is a dot delivery. Good bowling by Ajaz. He takes his first wicket in just 4 deliveries and he gives only 4 runs. Very good, impressive bowling by Ajaz Ahmad. Irfan Saddam, he is on strike. 84. Over there, you phone to you and she will you. Lala, to get phone, Baron. Irfan Saddam, he is on strike. And this is a good bowling by Zishan Kara. And this is dot delivery. Irfan Saddam is on strike. इशफाक भाट अंपायर मुझे मुंबई इंडिया की तरफ से लगता है. थैंक यू इशफाक भाट साहब. शाह रही साहा लाला यूट्यूबर नाइट पन्निंदा उर्दू में. This is a good shot play by Irfan at the end. He is missed by the 2 players, but cannot stop the 2 players to take a single. With the single, the score goes on. Hey, Lala, take a phone to you. Oh, Asif. Oh, Asif. Phone to you. Phone. Leak run him, sir. Leak. Not connect your punish answer. Topic sa tanah ye leak panas. Ina si chalo ye ta si me connect kiya. Natra hard sa bar yaar. Hard sa yaar. Tat ka taise connect ye. Kya tro ja. शुक्रिया, चलो शुक्रिया। क्या अक्षय? शुक्रिया। This is Zishan to Muhammad Yunus. Zishan to Muhammad Yunus. Score is 91 and they have lost 3 wickets. Muhammad Yunus is on strike. Played shot and at the end miss catch by Ubaid. Lazy kicker played by Kunzar strikers. This is a lollipop catch. They lost this wicket. They lost and 2 batsmen. The partnership goes on 10 runs. The score remaining on 91 and they have lost 3 wickets. Epic Blasters shoots. They won the toss and they decided to bat first. Irfan. Zishan Kara to Muhammad Yunus. And this is a wide delivery given by Lala. The score remaining on 92 and they have lost 3 wickets. Muhammad Yunus, he is on strike. Zishan to this is dot delivery. After 8 hours, the score is 92 and they have lost 3 wickets. Epic Blaster Shoes won the toss and they opted to bat first. This is Irfan Saddam. He is on strike. Irfan Saddam, he plays on 3 runs and he faces 5 deliveries. The partnership goes on 11 runs. Irfan Ahmad. Thank you, Irfan Ahmad. Thank you for watching this live stream. This is Epic Blasters versus Kunzar strikers. Ejaz to Irfan Saddam. And Irfan Saddam plays. And the 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the individual score of Irfan Saddam is 4. With the single, the score is 93 for the loss of 3. Ejaz to Muhammad Yunus. And this is a good delivery, dot delivery by Ejaz. This is his first second over. He gives only 5 runs in 1.2 overs and he takes 1 wicket. Ejaz to Muhammad Yunus. And this is another catch, another wicket for the strikers. Epic Blasters lost another wicket in the shape of Muhammad Yunus. The score is 93 for the loss of 3 wickets. Muhammad Yunus gone on 7 runs. The score is 93 and they have lost 4 wickets in just 8.3 hours. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulba ground, where this match is between Epic Blasters Shoes versus Kunzar strikers. First, Epic Blasters Shoes won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 8.3 hours, the score for Epic Blasters is 93 and they lost their 4th wicket in the shape of Muhammad Yunus. Ejaz, he took his second wicket. The current run rate is 10.94. Now the big man Irfan Saddam, he is on strike. He is on 4 runs and he faces 6 deliveries by Ejaz. Thank you very Ejaz for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Please share this live stream with your friends and please put your positive comments in comment section. The new batsman come on crease is Shaukat Ahmad is the new batsman for Epic Blasters. Shaukat Ahmad is the new batsman on crease. The umpire was not good, not only in this edition, also in previous edition as well. They always favor their own team. Shukars Army. Thank you Irfan Ahmad Sahab for watching this live stream. Sometimes it will be happen because the umpire's decision sometimes gone wrong. Now Ejaz to Shaukat. Shaukat is the new batsman on strike. The score remaining on 93 for the loss of 4. Thank you Irfan Sahab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. Ejaz is the bowler who took his 2 wickets in just 1.3 hours. Very good bowling by Ejaz to Shaukat, new batsman on crease. Dot ball, no run. The score remaining on 93 and they have lost 4 wickets. Ejaz to Shaukat. And big wicket for Kunzar strikers, and they strike again. Very good bowling by Ejaz. He take his third wicket, and good bowling by Ejaz Ahmed take his wicket in the shape of Shaukat Ahmed without any run. Epic Blasters lose their fifth wicket, and they have only 93 on board in 8.5 hours. Reis Ahmed Dar, I'm a big fan of Irfan Sadam. Thank you, Reis Ahmed Dar sahab, for watching this live stream. Right now, Irfan Sadam, who is on strike, the big name, Irfan Sadam, he is on 4 runs. He faces 4 deliveries. Ejaz is the bowler. He takes his third wicket in the shape of Shaukat. Shaukat is the fifth batsman who lost their wicket in on 93 on board only, and they lost 5 wickets. Epic Blasters won the toss and they opted to bat first after 8.5 hours. 93 on board, and they lost their fifth wicket in the shape of Shaukat Ahmed. Now will Irfan Sadam stop this, and will he stay here? It will be seen next. Ejaz to Irfan Sadam, the big name Irfan Sadam. New batsman Mushtaq, he is on strike. Irfan Sadam, he is on non-strike end. Ejaz, it is his last delivery of his second over. He take already 3 wickets. Very good bowling by Ejaz. Only 5 runs given in 1.5 hours. Epic Blaster shoes, they have scored only 93, and they lost 50 wicket in the shape of Shaukat. Ejaz to the new batsman Mushtaq, and well, good delivery, but at the end player wicketkeeper missed this. Bounce for the score goes on 97, and they lost 5 wickets after 9 hours. Irfan Sadam is on strike now. The big name, he is on strike. Irfan Sadam, जिसको सद्दाम के नाम से जाना जाता है. Mushtaq is on non-strike. Irfan Sadam is on strike. Ejaz completes his second over and he gives only 9 runs, and he take 3 wickets with the economy of 4.50. Very good bowling by Ejaz. Impressive bowling, decent bowling by Ejaz Ahmed. This is Epic Blaster shoes versus Kunzar strikers. First, Epic Blaster shoes won the toss and they elected to bat first. After 9 hours, the score for Epic Blasters is 97, and they lost 5 wickets. Now Irfan Sadam is on a strike. He is on 4 runs. Zishan Kara to Irfan. Very good shot played by Irfan Sadam, the big name, and this is the first 6 for Irfan Sadam. He reaches on 10 with the half of 1 huge 6. With the 6, the score goes on 103, and they lost 5 wickets. This is a big name on this Irfan Sadam. On 10 runs, he is on strike with the half of 1 huge 6 with a strike rate of 142. Zishan Kara is the bowler. He is a very expensive bowler. He in 3.1 hours he gives 30 runs with the economy of 9.47. The score is 103 for the loss of 5. This is Sadam, who is on strike on 10 runs in just 7 deliveries with the help of 1 huge 6. Can Kunzar strikers stop this partnership? Take this wicket off Irfan Sadam. It will be seen in next. Irfan Sadam is the big name. Irfan Sadam, he is on strike, and this is another good delivery by Zishan Kara. This is third delivery, no run. Score remaining on 103 for the loss of 5. Asif Irfan Sadam plays another good shot for another 4. This is first 4 for Irfan Sadam. He reaches on 14 runs. He just faced 9 deliveries. With this 4, the score goes on 107, and they lost 5 wickets in 9.3 hours. Zishan Kara, very expensive. Irfan Sadam. Tariq Nabi Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you, Tariq Nabi Saab. Thank you, Tariq Saab. Keep share this live stream. Asif Zishankara to Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam, he is on 14. And this is this is another 4 for Irfan Saddam. Another 4 for Epic Blaster shoots. With this 4, the score goes on 111 for the loss of 5. The initial score for Irfan Saddam is 18 with the help of 2 4s and 1 huge 6 after 9.4 hours. Tariq Nabi, thank you Tariq Nabi Saab for watching this live stream. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Epic Blaster shoots versus Irfan Saddam. Plays another good shot, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 112 for the loss of 5. Irfan Saddam, he is on 19 on non-strike, and Mushtaq is the new batsman who is on strike. Zishan to Mushtaq. Zishan to Mushtaq. Very good shot, but at the end, this is another 4. This is 4 for Epic Blasters shoots, and second 4 for Mushtaq. With this 4, the score goes on 116 after 10 hours. The current runner is 11.60. Mushtaq, he is on 8 runs. Irfan Saddam plays on 19. Now Irfan Saddam, he is on strike. The partnership goes on 23 runs in just 7 deliveries. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. This match is between Epic Blaster shoots versus Unzar strikers. After 10 hours, the score for Epic Blaster shoots is 116 and they lost 5 wickets. Irfan Saddam is the big name. He is on strike. He is on 19. He faced just 11 deliveries with the help of 2 4s and 1 huge 6. The strike rate is 172. Tariq Nabi Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is Epic Blaster shoots at this Tulbagh ground right now. The score is 116 and they have lost 5 wickets. This is the first inning of this match. Epic Blasters versus Kunzar strikers. Partnership goes on 23 in just 7 deliveries. Ajaz is the bowler. He is on his bowling mark. He takes 3 wickets already. Ajaz to the big name Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam is on strike. Zakir Loan, thank you Zakir Loan Saab for watching this live stream. Right now it is live from Chukar Tulbagh ground. Irfan Saddam, he is on strike and plays a good shot, but only a single. With this single, Irfan Saddam goes on 20 and the score for Epic Blasters is 117 after 10.1 hour. Ajaz to Mushtaq. This is a good shot played by Mushtaq Ahmed for another 4. This is the third 4 for Mushtaq. With this 4, the score goes on 121 and they lost 5 in just 10.2 hours. This match is between Epic Blasters versus Kunzar strikers at Chukar Tulbagh ground. This is T20 Super Cup, which is organized by the Tawfiqul Noor, Abdul Hamid Wani Lala and also Shahnawaz. This is a very decent tournament, disciplined tournament of this village level. And Ajaz to Mushtaq. Mushtaq is the player who is on 12 runs. He just faced 3 deliveries and he put 3 4s with the help of 3 4s. Irfan Saddam, he is on non-strike. The score is 121 after 10.2 hours and they have lost 5. Ajaz to Mushtaq. And this is another wide delivery, not good delivery by Ajaz, and missed by wicketkeeper. Wide 4. The score goes on 126 after 10.2 hours. Mushtaq is on strike. He is on 12 runs. Ajaz to Mushtaq. Thank you for watching this live stream. Ajaz to Mushtaq. Mushtaq played another goal shot, but at the end, very good fielding. Only a single. With this single, the score goes on 127 after 10.3 hours. Now pick name Irfan Saddam. He is on strike. Ejaz to Irfan Saddam. And missed by Irfan Saddam. This is the dot delivery. No run. Score remaining on 127 and they lost 5 wickets in 10.4 hours. Ejaz to Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam, he is on strike. He's on 20 and this is a wide delivery and also missed by wicketkeeper. Wide and 4 byes. The score goes on 132 after 10.4 hours and they lost 5 wickets with the current rate 12.30. Irfan Saddam, he is on strike. And good shot played by Irfan Saddam for another 6. This is good shot by Irfan Saddam. This is the second 6 and he is on 26 in just 14 deliveries with a strike rate at 171. The score goes on 136. This is 4. Partnership goes on 43 in 4 to Irfan Saddam. He is on strike and this is missed delivery, dot delivery. After 11 hours, the score is 136 for the loss of 5. 136. Irfan Saddam, he is on 24. He is on non-strike. Mushtaq, he is on 13. Now he is on strike. Epic Blasters Shoes won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 11 hours, the score is 136 and they lost 5 wickets. Epic Blasters, Irfan Saddam, he is on 24. He just faced 15 deliveries with the help of 3 fours and 1 huge 6. Mushtaq is on 13. He is on strike now. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and also you can watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Thank you for your support. Thank you for you watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends, and also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Ejaz. He completed his 3rd hour and he take 3 wickets, gave 29 runs in 3 hours. Irfan Saddam, he is on non-strike on 24 and Mushtaq is on strike on 13 runs. This is T20 Super Cup played at Shukar Tulbagh ground. Epic Blasters Shoes, they won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 11 hours, the score is 136 and they lost 5 wickets. Now their new bowler is he is on his bowling mark. Lone Mohsin is the new bowler on his bowling mark. Lone Mohsin to Mushtaq, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. With this wide, the score goes on 143 after 11 hours. Mushtaq, he is on strike. Oh, very good shot played by Mushtaq for another 6. This is the first 6 for Mushtaq and this is 6. With this 6, the score goes on 149 for the loss of 5. Good cricket played by Mushtaq. He reaches on 19. Only face 5 deliveries with the help of 3 fours and 1 huge 6. Partnership goes 56 and just they face 14 deliveries. Very good partnership between Irfan Saddam and Mushtaq. Irfan Saddam, he is on non-strike end. Mushtaq, he is on 19, he is on strike. Lone Mohsin to Mushtaq. The score for Epic Blasters Shoes is 149 and they lost 5 wickets in 11.1 hour. This is a good score right now. Mushtaq, he is on strike. Lone Mohsin to Mushtaq. And this is the dot delivery, no run. Score remaining on 149. And they lost 5 wickets. Irfan Saddam is on non-strike end. He is on 30. Mushtaq is on strike. He is on 19. Lone Mohsin to Mushtaq. And a good shot at the end. Missed by the third. And this is another 4 for Mushtaq. Another 4 for Epic Blaster shoes. With this 4, the score goes on 153 run. And they lost 5. Mushtaq, he just faced 7 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 1 huge 6. Lone Mohsin to Mushtaq. The Mushtaq is the batsman who is on 23. Just faced 7 deliveries. Lone Mohsin to Mushtaq. And good shot, but only a single. With this single, the score goes on 154 after 11.4. Irfan Saddam, the big name, he is on strike. Irfan Saddam, he is on 30. He just faced 15 deliveries. The partnership goes on 61. Just 17 deliveries they face. Irfan Saddam, the big name, he is on strike. Mohsin to Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam, he is on strike. And another good shot played by Irfan Saddam for a huge 6. Good shot played by Irfan Saddam. This is another 6 for Epic Blasters. With this 6, the score goes on 160. And they lost only 5 wickets. Good batting by Irfan Saddam. He reached on 36 in just 16 deliveries with the help of 3 6 and 3 4s. The partnership goes on 67, just 18 deliveries. Lone Mohsin to Irfan Saddam. Irfan Saddam plays another good shot for another 4. Very good batting by Irfan Saddam. He reaches quickly on 40 in only 17 deliveries. The score goes on 164, just 12 hours they face. Irfan Saddam is the batsman who is a big name. He plays he faces only 17 deliveries and he makes 40 runs with the help of 4 fours and 3 huge 6. The partnership goes 71 in 19 deliveries only. Lone Mohsin completes hour, but the hour very expensive, 22 runs in first hour. Mohsin. Now Mushtaq, he is on strike. Sheikh Umar is the new bowler. He is on his bowling mark. Sheikh Umar to Mushtaq. Mushtaq, he is on 24. He just faced 8 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 1 huge 6. Furkan, Saddam is on fire. Yes, Saddam, he is on fire. Saddam plays good knock here. Sheikh Umar to Mushtaq. Mushtaq already plays very good shot, and at the end very good fielding by the player of Kunzar Strikers, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 165. Irfan Saddam, the big name, he is on strike. He is on 40 runs. Irfan Saddam is on strike and played good, and this is missed by Irfan Saddam, but at the end the wicketkeeper missed this. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 166 after 12.2 hours, and they lost 5 wickets. Sheikh Umar to Mushtaq. Another. Oh, this is wicket for Sheikh Umar. Wicket for Kunzar Strikers. Good bowling by Sheikh Umar. Epic Blaster shoes lost their 6th wicket in the shape of Mushtaq. Mushtaq plays a good knock here. He goes on 25. The partnership goes end. Now the new batsman is on crease. Shaukat Pandit is the new batsman on crease. After 12.3 hours, the score for Epic Blasters is 166 with the current run rate 13.28. The projected score will be 239 if Saddam Sheikh Umar is on his first hour. He takes his first wicket. The score remaining on 166, and they lost 6 wickets after 12.3 hours. Sheikh Umar to Shaukat, the new batsman. Shaukat Pandit is the new batsman on crease. He is on strike. Thank you, Furkan. Sheikh Umar to new batsman Shaukat. and this is missed by the player. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score goes on 160. That's a ball here, yes. This is Epic Blasters versus Gunzar Strikers. Cut थोड़ा बोलिए जी. बोला जो. आप पता क्या? जो बैठ जाओ. स्कोर. अच्छा भाई.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। और आपके साथ समीर अहमद जुड़ चुके हैं चुकर के इस खूबसूरत मैदान में। आज का जो मुकाबला हो रहा है इस टाइम पे एपिक ब्रदर्स शूज और उसके सामने जो टीम है वो है कुंजर की। और इस समय में जो एपिक ब्रदर्स शूज है उसका स्कोर 168 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 6 विकेट्स, completion of 12.5 overs। और जो यहाँ पर जो दिग्गज खिलाड़ी है सदाम वो बीच मैदान में मौजूद इस टाइम पे और उसके कंधों पे आज बहुत ही बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है। जो पहले जो 6 झटके लगे अभी तक और सदाम के कंधों पे अब जिम्मेदारी आई है, उसको चाहिए कि आराम से खेले और अपनी पारी को अंत तक ले जाए। और फिलहाल एक बार फिर से बॉलर अपनी गेंदबाजी पर तैयार। अच्छा स्ट्रोक वहाँ पर फिर मौजूद है। 1 रन के लिए गेंद चली गई। दोनों बल्लेबाज 1 रन देने के लिए और अब स्ट्राइक पे रहेगी सदाम जो कि एक बड़ा धुआंधार बल्लेबाज है जिसकी बल्लेबाजी ने अभी तक यहाँ पर इस चुकर के इस खूबसूरत ग्राउंड में बहुत से कारनामे इसकी बल्लेबाजी में ये एपिक ब्लास्टर्स शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 169 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 6 विकेट्स, 13 ओवर्स गॉन। ये जो मुकाबला आज खेला जा रहा है बहुत ही रोमांचक मुकाबला होने जा रहा है आज चुकर के इस मैदान में, गुलमर्ग की इस हसी वादी में, चुकर के इस बड़ी खूबसूरत ग्राउंड में ये मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है। और कुछ मशवरा चल रहा है यहाँ पर कुंजर के इन खिलाड़ियों के बीच। देख रहे कि गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन किया गया है और एजाज को अपनी बॉलिंग मार्ग पर भेजा है कप्तान ने। तमाशा से खचाखच भरा हुआ ये मैदान सुकर का और इस समय में एजाज जिसने अभी तक 3 विकेट चटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए, कमाल की गेंदबाजी की अभी तक एजाज ने। और उसका सामना करेगा इस टाइम पे शौकत जो कि 2 रनों पे नाबाद है। फिलहाल एजाज चले अपनी गेंदबाजी के मोर्चे पे। अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया लेग साइड के जाने, वहां पर कोई खिलाड़ी मौजूद नहीं और गेंद सीमारी के पार कर गई 4 रन के लिए। एक कमाल का स्ट्रोक लिया है वहां पर शौकत ने, एक धुआंधार बल्लेबाज शौकत इस टाइम पे क्रीज में मौजूद। फिर से एक बार एजाज तैयार हो रहे हैं अपनी गेंदबाजी के मोर्चे पे। फिलहाल चले अंदरूनी सिरा लिया, गेंद रन आउट होने का खतरा, बॉल बच गए। वहां पर डायरेक्ट हिट की जरूरत थी, अगर डायरेक्ट हिट लगती तो सदाम का काम तमाम। ये खिलाड़ी खास है, खिलाड़ी सोना है सदाम। फिर से एक बार तैयार हो रहे हैं एजाज अपनी बॉलिंग मार्ग पर और ये लंबा स्ट्रोक लिया और गेंद चली गई सीमारी के पार दर्शक दीर्घा में 6 रन के लिए। बहुत खर्चीले साबित हो रहे हैं इस टाइम पे एजाज। अभी तक अपने 3 ओवरों में कमाल की गेंदबाजी रही थी इस एजाज की। और सदाम कमाल का बल्लेबाज। फिर से एक बार एजाज चले सदाम के लिए, इस बार भी अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया और गेंद को भेजा सीमारे के पार 6 रन के लिए। और सदाम की नसीब सेंचुरी मुकम्मल होती हुई और सदाम का बल्ला यहाँ पर चुकर के इस मैदान में गरजता हुआ इस टाइम पे एजाज पर भारी हो रहे हैं सदाम। फिर से एक बार एजाज चले सदाम के लिए, इस बार गेंद गई, गेंद का यहाँ क्या रही हो क्या नंबर वो इतना लड़ गया। बहुत खर्चीले साबित हुए इस टाइम पे एजाज और सदाम यहाँ पर कुछ अलग ही मूड में इस टाइम पे मौजूद क्रीज पे। 59 रन पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं सदाम इस टाइम पे। जर्सी नंबर 14 जो कि एजाज ने पहनी है, एक छोटे से रनअप के लिए चले सदाम के लिए। अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, इस बीच भी बल्ले से गेंद लगी और गेंद गई सीमारी के पार 6 रन के लिए। चुकर के इस मैदान में सदू सदाम का बल्ला गरजता हुआ इस टाइम पे, बल्ले से आग उगलते हुए सदू सदाम। सदाम के बल्ले से सदाम का बल्ला जो इस टाइम पे आग उगलता हुआ इस सुकर के मैदान में, बहुत ही लंबे छक्के मारे सदाम ने आज। और सदाम का जो बिग फैन ऑफ इरफान सदाम इस टाइम पर बीच मैदान में मौजूद। और सुकर के ये कुंजर के ये खिलाड़ी अपने आप से निराश, क्योंकि एजाज का ये जो है और महंगा पड़ा कुंजर के इन खिलाड़ियों के लिए। और एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 198 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 6 विकेट्स, 14 ओवर्स गॉन। और शायद उमर को गेंदबाजी के मोर्चे पे लाया गया है। फिलहाल चले उमर, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद कलाई के सारी गेंद को मोड़ा यहाँ पर, वहाँ पर फील्डर मौजूद 1 रन के लिए। अच्छी बल्लेबाजी हो रही है, 1 रन चाहिए 200 रन बनाने, 200 रन के पार जाने के लिए एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज को। फिर से एक बार उमर चले सदाम के लिए, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, अच्छा स्ट्रोक दिया, क्या ड्रॉप किया वहां पर मोहसिन ने। ये जो मौका बनाया था उमर ने, मगर वहां पर मोहसिन ने गलती की, कैच लपक नहीं पाए। शायद यही पे सद्दू सदाम की पारी जो सिमट जाती थी अगर ये कैच लपका जाता था। फिर से एक बार उमर चले, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, जोरदार अपील, अंपायर पे कोई असर नहीं वहां पे। और लेग बाय के रूप में वहां पर 1 रन मिला एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज को। शौकत पूछे 7 के स्कोर पे 6 गेंदों का सामना किया। फिर से एक बार उमर चले सदाम के लिए, और इस बीच अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया, अच्छी गेंदबाजी हो रही है वहां पर। उमर से दूसरे रन लेने के लिए भागे, और वहां पर थोड़ा सा फंबल होता हुआ फील्डर से, और 2 रन चुराने में कामयाब दोनों बल्लेबाज। सद्दू सदाम 68 रन 25 गेंदों से अभी भी नाबाद। फिर से एक बार चले, अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया, और गेंद चली गई सीमारी के पार। 4 रन के लिए कोई मौका नहीं वहां पर फील्डर के पास। इस टाइम पे जो इरफान सदाम जो बल्लेबाजी करते हुए इस टाइम पे कमाल की बल्लेबाजी रही अभी तक। 72 पे नाबाद। फिर से एक बार उमर चले सदाम के लिए, और इस बीच मौका बनाया, फील्डर नीचे आ रहे गेंद के, और सदाम की पारी का समाप्त किया गया यहाँ पर उमर ने। जो एक लंबी इनिंग खेली सदाम ने, और चले गए डगआउट के ओर। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की सदाम ने। और हमारे साथ जो अभी बने हुए हैं तारिक नबी, जाकिर लोन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें प्यार देने के लिए। ये जो मुकाबला इस टाइम पर मौजूद है चुकर के इस गुलमर्ग के इस हसी वादी चुकर के इस मैदान में मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है इस टाइम पे। एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज बनाम कुंजर के बीच मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है। आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। फुरकान भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। सदाम ऑन फायर, जी हाँ भाई बिल्कुल, सदाम ने कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। और एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 207 विद लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट्स, 15 ओवर्स गॉन। प्रोजेक्टेड स्कोर जो दिखा रहा है 248 के करीब जाएगा स्कोर, वहां तक ये देखने वाली बात होगी। वो जो सेट बल्लेबाज की विकेट मिली कुंजर को, वो सदाम, इरफान सदाम, जो कि एक धुआंधार बल्लेबाज है, दिग्गज बल्लेबाज है। आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए, क्योंकि इस मुकाबले में बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है। ये रोमांचक मुकाबला इस टाइम पे चुकर के इस वादी में, चुकर के इस खूबसूरत मुकाबले में, और दर्शकों से खचाखच भरा हुआ ये मैदान। और इस टाइम पर मेरा जो सीनियर कमेंटेटर यहाँ पर मेरे सामने मौजूद लाला। फिर से एक बार गेंदबाज चले, वहाँ पर अच्छी गेंद ग्लव्स पे टकराती हुई इस टाइम पे गेंद। कमाल की गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर हो रही है। खालिद सोहेल जो कि एक अच्छा गेंदबाज है, बढ़िया गेंदबाज है खालिद सोहेल। अपने 2.1 ओवर में 35 रन दिए। और फिर से एक बार चले, अच्छी गेंद ने टपा लिया और सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्ताने में चली गई। किसी रन का इजाफा नहीं इस टाइम पे। कमाल की गेंदबाजी हो रही है इस टाइम। शौकत जो कि बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए तैयार है इस टाइम पे। शौकत बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए तैयार, और गेंदबाजी के मोर्चे पे सोहेल खालिद चले, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद। कमाल की गेंदबाजी हो रही है खालिद सोहेल से, जबरदस्त गेंदबाज खालिद सोहेल। शेख उमर ने अपने 2 ओवर किए और 12 रन दिए, 2 महत्वपूर्ण विकेट्स झटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए। कमाल की गेंदबाजी रही आज शेख उमर की और एजाज थोड़ा खर्चीले साबित हुए चौथे ओवर में। फिर से एक बार खालिद सोहेल चले शौकत के लिए, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, फिर से एक बार बीट किया, गेंद और बल्ले का कोई मुलाकात ही नहीं हुआ और गेंद चली गई विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में। जबरदस्त गेंदबाजी हो रही है यहाँ पर। फिर से एक बार खालिद सोहेल तैयार, रोड एंड की तरफ से चले लंबे रनत के साथ, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया शौकत के लिए, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद अंदरूनी सिरा लेती हुई और विकेट कीपर ने कोई गलती नहीं की वहां पर और अंपायर की उंगली हवा में। इसी के साथ एपिक ब्लास्टर्स शूज को और एक झटका लगता हुआ 207 बिल्कुल। एपिक ब्लास्टर्स शूज का जो स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 207 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स, 15.5 ओवर्स गॉन। बस इस 16वें ओवर की एक गेंद का आना बाकी है। वो जो महत्वपूर्ण विकेट थी वो सद्दाम की थी, इरफान सद्दाम, जो कि एक बढ़िया बल्लेबाज है, बढ़िया दिग्गज बल्लेबाज है इरफान सद्दाम, जिसने यहाँ पर कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की, आज भी की, बरसों से करके आ रहे हैं। इसने पिछले फाइनल में भी कमाल की गेंदबाजी की और बल्लेबाजी भी की, पिछले टूर्नामेंट में भी कमाल का प्रदर्शन रहा इरफान सद्दाम का, जो कि इस ग्राउंड में महारत रखते हैं और लंबे लंबे छक्के मारने में मशहूर है इरफान सद्दाम। जो मेरा दोस्त यहाँ पर राज कुंजर की तरफ से खेल रहा है। फिलहाल फिर से एक बार खालिद सोहेल अपने गेंदबाजी के मोर्चे पे तैयार, रोड एंड की तरफ से तैयार होते हुए और वहां पर जो बल्लेबाज साकिब उसका सामना करेगा। इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, अंपायर ने वाइड का इशारा दिया वहां पे। साकिब जो कि एक नया बल्लेबाज है, उसका चेंज किया गया है अब बल्लेबाजी में। खालिद सोहेल फिर से एक बार गेंदबाजी करने के लिए तैयार, अपने तीसरे ओवर की आखिरी गेंद करने के लिए तैयार, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, साकिब वहां पर सामना करेगा, इस बीच गेंद ने अंदरूनी किनारा लिया और गेंद चली गई सीमारे के पार 4 रन के लिए। अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया वहां पर साकिब ने, अपना खाता चौके से खोला। 212 और एपिक ब्लास्टर्स शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 212 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स, 16 ओवर्स गॉन। फिर से एक बार मेरे हिसाब से, मेरे ख्याल से शेख उमर का चयन किया गया है गेंदबाजी में। कुछ मशवरा चल रहा है कुंजर की टीम की जानिब से, शायद उमर का चयन किया गया है गेंदबाजी में, जो कि एक अच्छा स्पिन गेंदबाज है, जिसने अपनी गेंदबाजी से यहाँ पर दिल जीते। आज कमाल की गेंदबाजी की, अपने स्पिन में 2 ओवर किए और 2 महत्वपूर्ण विकेट चटकाए और 12 रन दिए, सिर्फ 12 रन, जो कि यहाँ पर 2 गेंदों में आते हैं 12 रन। और इस टाइम पे चुकर का मैदान खचाखच भरा हुआ है इस टाइम पे। इस टाइम बिलाल लिख रहे हैं कि कमेंट्री कुसवाना। इस बीच अच्छी गेंद और किसी रन का इजाफा नहीं, यहाँ पर सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में चली गई गेंद। इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, कीपर भी चूक गए इस गेंद से और गेंद सीमारे के पार चली गई 4 रन के लिए और अंपायर का इशारा वाइड भी, 5 रन आए। ये जो महत्वपूर्ण 5 रन आए एपिक ब्लास्टर्स शूज के लिए, ये जो एक्स्ट्रास इनको रोकना पड़ेगा कुंजर की टीम को। इस बीच अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया, फील्डर मौजूद वहां पर, फारिद अच्छी फील्डिंग की वहां पर, 1 रन लेने में कामयाब दोनों बल्लेबाज। एजाज पंडित ने अपना खाता खोला, 2 गेंदों में 1 रन बनाने में कामयाब रहे अभी तक। और इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, जोरदार अपील, मगर वहां पर अंपायर ने नकारा। फील्डिंग में परिवर्तन यहाँ पर शेख उमर द्वारा। इस बीच चले अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, अच्छी गेंद और यहाँ पर उठाकर मारा और गेंद को भेजा है सीमारे के पार 6 रन के लिए, आधा दर्जन रन। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी हो रही है इस टाइम पे शूज की तरफ से और एपिक ब्लास्टर्स शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 224 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स, 16.4 ओवर्स गॉन। साकिब ने 3 गेंदों में 10 रन बनाए और अभी तक कमाल की बल्लेबाजी 333 पॉइंट की स्ट्राइक रेट से और कमाल की गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर शेख उमर दोरा आगे डालने की प्रयास में यहाँ पर पहले गेंद में छक्का खाया था। फिर से एक बार अच्छा स्ट्रोक किया, फिर वहाँ पर मौजूद और 1 रन लेने में कामयाब दोनों बल्लेबाज। और इसी के साथ एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 225 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट, 17 ओवर्स गॉन। 225 ठीक है। खालिद सोहेल फिर से एक बार अपनी गेंदबाजी का आखिरी ओवर डालने के लिए तैयार। खालिद सोहेल चले एजाज पंडित के लिए जो कि 2 गेंदों से 1 रन बनाने में कामयाब रहे अभी तक। नाबाद है क्रीज पे, चले अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद और बल्ले का कोई मुलाकात नहीं और गेंद चली गई विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में। खालिद सोहेल जिसने अपनी 3.1 ओवर्स में 40 रन दिए और 1 विकेट लेने में कामयाब रहे। फिर से एक बार अपने इस दूसरी गेंद करने के लिए तैयार, इस बीच भी अच्छी गेंद और सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में चली गई। एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 225 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स, 17.2 ओवर्स गॉन। और फिर से एक बार खालिद सोहेल चले, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, कमाल की गेंदबाजी, नीचे रहती हुई 1 रन लेने में कामयाब रहे दोनों बल्लेबाज। विकेट कीपर के हाथ में गेंद नहीं आई और 1 रन चुराने में वहां पर कामयाब रहे दोनों बल्लेबाज। शेख उमर के ऊपर बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी होगी। बिल्कुल सैम बिलाल, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। फुरकान आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। फिर से एक बार खालिद सोहेल चले, इस बीच अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया, फील्डर मौजूद वहां पर, मगर इस बीच अच्छी फील्डिंग की वहां पर, जीकर मौजूद, कमाल की फील्डिंग की वहां पर और एजाज ने अच्छा एफर्ट दिखाया एंड में, वहां पे कमाल की फील्डिंग की वहां पर, पहले जीकर और दूसरी बार एजाज। 3 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए इन 2 खिलाड़ियों ने। खालिद सोहेल फिर से एक बार चले एजाज पंडित के लिए, चले अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद और अंपायर का इशारा वाइड और लेग बाय के रूप में गेंद चली गई सीमारी के पार 4 रन के लिए। ये खराब फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा यहाँ पर कुंजर दोरा। फिर से एक बार खालिद सोहेल चले एजाज पंडित के लिए, खालिद सोहेल चले एजाज पंडित के लिए, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, इस बीच अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया और गेंद को भेजा दर्शक दीर्घा में 6 रन के लिए। आधा दर्जन रन यहाँ पर मिला एजाज पंडित को और एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 239 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट, 17.5 ओवर्स गॉन। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी हुई आज बिग ब्लास्टर्स शूज की जानिब से। तमाशाइयों से खचाखच भरा हुआ ये मैदान सुकर का। फिर से एक बार अपनी ओवर की आखिरी गेंद डालने के लिए तैयार, इस बीच भी अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया, फील्डर मौजूद वहां पर और आगे आए और गेंद सीमारी के पार चली गई 4 रन के लिए। एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 243 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स, 18 ओवर्स गॉन। और इसी के साथ एपिक ब्लास्टर शूज की पारी सिमट गई। फिलहाल लौटेंगे हम आपके साथ, फिलहाल तब तक के लिए दीजिएगा इजाजत, अल्लाह हाफिज। और कुंजर को टारगेट मिला है 244।